And so special thanks to this company for sending us this set of dinnerware. This is plates, bowls, etc. And thanks again to them for sending it to us. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. All right, so inside of here we have, oh, look at that. Very nice. So we have 4 bowls, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 4 smaller plates. Let me get everything out first. 4 of these, which these look almost like the bowls, just not nearly as deep. And then 4 plates. And that should be, yeah, that's it for the box. The plate, I really like the design here. Definitely something different. That's the bottom of the plate. We have 4 of these, 2, 3, 4. And then the bowls, nice deep bowls. Again, with that cool design. Never seen anything like this, but I love that it's different. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we have 4 of the smaller plates. So the smaller plates, very similar to these, just much, much smaller. Love the design still. That's my favorite part about these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these, which these look like bowls, just not nearly as deep, but not as flat as the plates. Same little design though, and honestly, the same size, just not the same thickness, but much bigger than this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you go. That's everything that you get inside of this. 16 full pieces, 4 of these, 4 of these, 4 of these, and 4 plates. Thanks again to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.